switch on the tape recorder.
Now head into the fog bank, Shaggy, and let's hope that ghost thinks we're the freighter.
It sure is creepy in here.
Like the fog is so thick you can cut it with a knife. Scooby-Doo! Oh! The ghost ship!
Our plan worked too well. It's going to ram us.
Quick, Shag! Full speed reverse!
Like double fo-
What kind of doorbell is that?
I seen him with me very own eyes. A ghostly glow moving through the fog just before the boats vanish.
But what makes you think it was the ghost of Captain Cutler?
Because it was on a foggy night such as this that Captain Cutler's boat was wrecked. It collided with one of them fancy yachts from the marina, sending Cutler down to the graveyard of ships.
I don't know, but he's coming our way.
Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. I'm captain of the ferry.
For a second, I thought you were something else.
Would you mind taking that box to the hotel for me?
Be glad to, Captain. Who's it for?
A hotel guest, Mr. Drackle. And thanks very much.
Come on, Shag, let's load it aboard. Careful, Shag. This wooden pier is slippery in the damp.
Like I'll be very...
Okay, into the machine. 1, 2, and a Scooby-Doo.
This grand old hotel is a great spot for...
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
These medals of courage.
Thanks.
My Uncle Scooby isn't afraid of anything.
Out of my way, Squirt.
I oughta...
Oh, that must...
Uh-oh.
You see anything, Scooby?
Uh-uh.
Keep an eye out for Fred and the girls. Fred! Daphne!
Oh, that's an old waterfront dive near here.
I think we'd better check it out, gang.
There it is.